Hello there. Do you know about this Facebook group Grow Anything You Want? Recently I came to know it's by Kodali Kiran. Thank you very much for this. And those who are beginning in gardener, this group will really help you. So they do give you seeds free of cost. You just need to give the postal charges. That's it. And follow all the instructions that are given on the Facebook page. So that is how I got these seeds. So these are the seeds that we got. So let's see what are they. This is glow beans, lady's finger, I think it's chili, then it's tomato, brinjal, ipomia I guess, and this they have mentioned it is pink aparajita, watermelon, radish, cosmos, beans, many varieties are there. Then this is custard apple, then pumpkin, bottle gourd, this is ridge gourd, sponge gourd, then these are all beans, and this is aparajita. Sorry, it's parijat. This one is this special one. It's called as sinduram plant. Let's see how it grows. The seed itself is very interesting. Thank you. Still some seeds are there that I haven't sorted them out. I guess they have the marigold, brinjal and some chili varieties maybe. As they grow, we'll again transplant them. It will be easy to identify.